What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Week 14 live cop. This week, we don't really have too many things going on, but before I jump into that, I did want to say somehow I am still sick, like over a month in advance. Don't know what's going on with me, and now my eyes are super puffy and watering. Please ignore that. Every week, something else with me. But anyways, this week it is the Nike collab. There are a few things, but not really any things that like I personally want to get. I'd say the best thing was probably gonna be those cargo pants. They're like corduroy though, so not really sure if I would wear those or if I could even fit those into my rotation. But I do really like those. I think they're pretty sick. But this is gonna be a light week for me. I did want the knife, but I really don't want to pay $300 for the knife. So obviously I'm gonna pass on that. So the only two things I'm going to be getting this week are that striped t-shirt, which I feel like should be insanely easy, and then I'm probably going to go for that that lanyard, even though I kind of think that's the most ridiculous thing. I don't really like how it's the Cuban link, but we're still going to try to get that as well. So this week, yeah, like I said, just two things, really simple. I'm probably going to go for this pink colorway of the long sleeve, or not the long sleeve, the striped t-shirt, and then I'll probably check the knife just to make sure that it actually was $300. Let's just get right into the screen recording because we only got about a couple of minutes until the drop goes. So let me get this all queued up. Okay, so I got the screen recording going right now. Let's take a look, I guess, while we got some time to see last week's items. Looks like all those docks sold out, so that was good. I believe they were still in stock by the time I ended the video, or maybe a couple colors, but I don't know. Which I thought those were gonna be like the coolest thing ever, but clearly I was wrong. Obviously all that Burberry stuff is gone. And what I think is crazy is I already sold all those Burberry hats, well, both of them that I got, and I profited like $100 per hat, which is just insane. I can't believe I got those in a single cart. And then let's see if the tees are sitting. A few of the tees are sitting. Looks like all the Malcolm X ones are gone though, but the other one is just kind of sitting. And yeah, that was basically, the hoodies are still there, but that's basically most of the stuff that came out last week. So we got about 2 minutes left until the drop. I believe it's gonna be pretty easy of a release. I feel like I should be able to get both of the items. Oh no, we are starting to lag already and there's 2 minutes left until the drop. Well, about 1 minute left until the drop. Oh no, this is not looking good for me right now. Whole screen is white. Like I said last week though, it might be because of the Wi-Fi, but we will see. And now we got about 1 minute left, so let's get going. Alright, my laptop sounds like it's going crazy right now. I'm not really sure why, but I can't even load the new right now, so this actually just might be a complete loss, but because we have 10 seconds left. Okay, there's one time it just loaded. But I'm literally like clicking new right now and it's just not even doing anything. And we got 3 seconds left. Okay, here we go. White screen at 11. This is not looking good for me. Oh no. I'm thinking though right now, this is nothing to do with Supreme. This is actually like my Wi-Fi / computer's fault right now. Okay, here we go. We got everything. Let's make sure this knife is $300. It is. We are not getting that. So let's try to get this. Oh my god, I can't even add it. It's not letting me add it. Okay, we got that. We got that in the cart. And I already forgot the other thing I wanted. Oh yeah, that striped shirt, which is this color. I'll probably go for it in a large. I feel like these always fit weird. And since this is an easy cook, I'm going to try to get one more thing. Hopefully this doesn't end up being a bad idea. I highly doubt I'll be able to get this hat, but we're going to try. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Oh no, I cannot load anything right now. Trust me guys, I'm clicking right now. It's just not doing anything. Yeah, that Nike hat is gone. So I guess I'll just go for these two. Alright, this is going very slow. I am pressing the processing button and it's not doing anything. Oh yeah, I didn't load my information correctly right there, so this is not gonna go through. This is not looking good for me, guys. Yeah, see, it says verify the thing, and I already know that's correct. Good thing nothing good came out this week. It says please verify my credit card, but like I know that's my credit card. You have to go onto a new tab. No, I can't even load a new tab. Alright, we got it. We got it, so that's good. I was getting a little nervous there because I couldn't literally get a single thing to load. And it kept saying my card was incorrect, but I knew it was correct. Alright, let's go back though and see if any of that Nike stuff sold out. Let's see how much those pants were. I forgot. Yeah, the pants already sold out, but they were $148, which isn't that bad. I just don't really know if I could have pulled these off, but they're pretty sick. Let's go back though really quick and see if either of those hats. Yeah, it looks like all those hats are gone. Well, the camo one is somehow, never mind, it's gone. Alright, so that basically gonna do it for the video. There wasn't anything too crazy this week. Is the knife still here? It is, yeah, 300 bucks though. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. So let me end the screen recording right now. The laptop still is sounding insane right now. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. It was nothing crazy this week, so I mean, it's not gonna be as entertaining as previous weeks, but I still wanted to film the video for you guys. But if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. But actually, well, what is this? I've never seen this before. This is part of my laptop just going nuts right now. I'll worry about that later. But anyways, I did want to say too, like I have been plugging, I do have my own clothing brand. It's called Hellheart. I will leave a link in the description. We have this hat on the site right now, as well as one of our t-shirts. If you guys want to check that out, that would be greatly appreciated. Again, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, drop a comment letting me know what you guys copped this week, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.